Short sale specialist and default advocate discusses Bank of America cooperative short sale. Hey, short sale specialist, default advocate, distressed property expert, and short sale agent Mike Wrigley here, bringing you the latest short sale information. Thanks for joining us. Today, let's talk about our closed Bank of America cooperative short sale. This was an awesome victory for my clients, a nice families whose lives had changed and not for the better. My sellers had a $500,000 first mortgage with Bank of America and a $50,000 Bank of America HELOC. The house was maybe worth $300,000. They were late on their payments and they knew it was either bankruptcy, foreclosure, or Bank of America short sale for them. They were deep into the foreclosure process when they called me, and time was tight. As fate would have it, about the time they called me, Bank of America offered them a Bank of America cooperative short sale. The Bank of America cooperative short sale allowed us to sidestep much of the Bank of America short sale specific financial documents usually required for a Bank of America short sale. We received multiple offers in no time, and because this was a Bank of America cooperative short sale, the sellers were able to receive nearly $9,000 in relocation assistance, and not only did they not have to pay back the $50,000 Bank of America home equity line of credit, Bank of America not only settled for pennies on the dollar, they agreed to not seek a deficiency. How great is that? Many short sale agents talk bad about Bank of America short sales, and they do have their moments for sure. But in this case, Bank of America did the right thing by my clients. A fresh financial start, no deficiency to worry about, able to buy again in 2 to 3 years. They are on their way to their own economic recovery, all thanks to the Bank of America cooperative short sale. Wonder if you qualify? Call me to discuss or get a better idea when your home is worth what you owe. Log on to www.shortsaleandloanmod.info. Get a free estimate, or call me today for a free no obligation consultation, or call me for the latest short sale information. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did, and I'll look forward to hearing from you.